Hard time finding good investment advice? Try these tips. Many people avoid investing in the stock market because they think it's confusing or complicated. Don't be one of these people. Learn everything you can about how the stock market works so that you can make wise investments. Read the tips below to learn how to make money by investing in the stock market. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. Ensure that your children have a good sense of understanding regarding finances and investments, from a young age. The earlier that they are taught about financial responsibility and what can be achieved with hard work, the better off they will be in the long run, as they age. You can even involve them a little, as you buy and sell your investments, by explaining why you are making these choices. Do your research. Before buying any stocks, thoroughly research the company. Study its financial history and how the stocks have performed over the last 10 years. Earnings and sales should have increased by 10% over the prior year, and the company's debt should be less. If you have difficulty understanding the information, talk to a financial advisor or broker with a good track record in stock investing. Long-term investment portfolios work best when they contain strong stocks from a diverse array of industries. Although the overall market trend tends to go up, this does not imply that every business sector is going to expand every year. By exposing yourself to diversification, you can benefit from all growing sectors and plant buying seeds in retracting industries that are undervalued. If you rebalance your position on a continuous basis, your losses in the industries that are not growing or are losing ground is minimized. Furthermore, you can hold your position to prepare for the spurt of growth. When picking stocks, find a strategy you enjoy and stick with it. For instance, you may choose to ignore the market's behavior for the most part and focus only on a company's earnings potential. Once you settle on a personal set of rules, you can seek out prominent investors or financial gurus who share your philosophy, and you can learn from them. Do not let your emotions control your buying and selling decisions. While it can be unbearable to watch your stocks soar and plummet, it is important to be patient. Make your decisions in a methodical, deliberate way, and choose investment vehicles that align with the level of risk you are comfortable with. Now that you've watched this video, you should understand the basics of investing in the stock market. It's time to take some calculated risks and start investing. Refer to the tips you've just read to help you figure out what to do if you get stuck. Soon you'll be investing like a pro. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.